Have you ever struggled with filling out a PDF form, only to find it frustratingly unresponsive? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to manipulate fillable PDFs using Elixir and Erlang. I completely understand how challenging it can be when you're trying to integrate PDF functionality into your application and can't find the right tools. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar hurdles. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I fill a fillable PDF with input data from my application using Elixir or Erlang? This is a common scenario, and it's time we explore some solutions together. So what makes filling a PDF so tricky? Fillable PDFs often require specific libraries or modules to handle the data input correctly. Understanding the right tools is essential for a smooth process. And stick around. I have a fantastic resource to share at the end that will make your PDF manipulation tasks much easier. To begin filling a fillable PDF in Elixir or Erlang, the user should first install a library that can handle PDF manipulation. A popular choice is the PDF library for Elixir. Next, the user needs to create a new module that will handle the PDF filling process. This module will utilize the functions provided by the PDF library. Now the user should implement a function within this module to fill the PDF fields. This function will take the path to the PDF and a map of data to fill in. Finally, the user can call this function with the appropriate arguments to fill the PDF. They should ensure that the PDF path and data map are correctly specified. Fun fact. Did you know that the PDF format was created in the early 1990s by Adobe? It has since become a standard for document sharing across platforms. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using Pandoc. They explain that Pandoc is a tool for generating PDF files from various formats like HTML and Markdown. It's a Haskell program that requires LaTeX distributions like MikTeX or MacTeX for PDF generation. The user mentions that you can execute all conversions via command line, making it easy to integrate into your application. Here's the resource I promised. Check out the GitHub repositories for both the Elixir and Erlang libraries. They often have example projects that can jumpstart your development. And there you have it. You now have the tools to fill fillable PDFs using Elixir or Erlang. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on programming.